French 125, or as it's known to some, a French 75 with Cognac. This would go exceptionally well, especially at a smart Christmas party in a swanky establishment that some genius who hasn't submitted their expenses on the company credit card for 6 months thinks is a good idea to have a free bar, which is obviously brilliant in theory until someone decides to drink 12 Long Island iced teas, a yard of champagne, numerous shots, and ending the night on brandies and vintage whiskies. Then the night rounds off with the venue getting trashed and the head of finance, the sales manager, being dragged away in a police van. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and please share your worst or most crazy Christmas party stories in the comments. It'd be really interesting and funny to read them. The ingredient lineup: Cognac and the sparkling wine of your choice. I've gone for a Cremant, and then fresh lemon juice and simple syrup. To our shaker add 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of Cognac. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of simple syrup. Lastly add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and shake this around 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this cocktail traces roots back to the 75 cocktail, which is a creation of Harry McElyon, and it sort of became the French 75 over the years. And then in David Embry's 1948 The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks book, you see a mention of brandy, which essentially makes the drink more French in origin. And a lot more people tended to brand this drink the French 125, which, like the 75, is named after an artillery gun. Strain this into a flute glass. Then we're going to top this off with a sparkling wine of our choice, preferably something French like a champagne or a Cremant, which I'm using. And we want to give this a light stir. Our garnish, we're just going to go with a lemon peel, something basic. I'm just going to cut this into like a shield-like shape. The taste test. This is reasonably well balanced, but it's a bit on the sweet side. That could be my choice of the sparkling wine. The Cognac is there. The lemon tends to blend in with the sparkling wine a bit. It's certainly smooth and drinkable. I must admit, I prefer the dryness you get from a gin. And also you get those piney, juniper and citrus notes from gin. The Cognac definitely melds well though with the sparkling wine, as they're both great derived ingredients. Not a bad drink. I'm going to give this respectable 7.2 out of 10.